Greetings, phenomenal LTDE 5305 students. Welcome to Module Week 4 of our course, in which we will focus upon constructing a fully online lesson. Let's begin by viewing the learning resources for this week. Again, you will have the opportunity to begin constructing a fully online lesson within a unit, complete with interactive assessment pieces. You actually will be designing a Webquest that will guide learners through the process of solving an authentic issue, presenting to an authentic audience, and creating an authentic assessment piece. The course objectives that we will be focusing on throughout this unit include designing digital resources for use in instructional settings, constructing a fully online lesson, complete with interactive assessment pieces, and of course, designing a digitally based instructional unit that incorporates the opportunity for learners to engage in authentic, meaningful learning experiences. This week, you will want to begin by exploring these resources that offer guides for constructing Webquests. And an important website to view is webquest.org. In this site, you'll not only learn about what a Webquest is, but you'll also see a variety of helpful ideas for creating a Webquest of your own. This video will provide an introduction to creating Webquests, and this video offers real-life examples of Webquests in action. Let's view the assignments for this week, beginning with the discussion. In this discussion forum, you will be exploring the primary purposes of Webquests, as well as resources that might be helpful and or enlightening to you in designing your own Webquest. You will use this resource as you are answering the questions contained within this discussion forum. For this forum, you can either create a text-based or audio-based initial thread. If you decide to use a text-based thread, it should be between 250 and 300 words in length. If you decide to create an audio-based thread, it should be between 2 and 10 minutes in length. You can simply post your Vocru link in the text box if you decide to record an audio-based thread. We also will be using the jigsaw approach in this discussion forum, in which everyone will contribute a unique piece to the puzzle. In your initial thread, please include an observation no one else in the course has previously mentioned. Again, you'll be answering these 2 questions in your initial thread. And as you reply to 2 colleagues, please be sure to include a compliment, so something that you like or enjoy that they mentioned within their initial thread, as well as a comment, an item that you agree upon because of or disagree upon because of a connection, so something that you also thought to be true, and then a question. A critical thinking question to which others engaged in this discussion forum can also reply. Now let's look at the details of the Webquest assessment piece. This is a unique resource used within educational settings that encourages students to solve an authentic issue, to present to an authentic audience, and to engage in authentic assessment pieces. I believe that you will find this to be a very rewarding assessment to create because it's something that you can use within your own teaching and learning experiences. The goal is for you to actually create your Webquest on a concept that will be applicable to what you are doing within your professional settings or what you intend to do in the future. So let's look at the details of this assignment. Again, one of the most helpful resources for developing your own Webquest is the page that I've previously shown you. You will want to include 6 foundational elements within your Webquest. There's an introduction, which orients students and captures their engagement, the task, which describes the final product, the task that students will be completing, the process details strategies students should utilize in completing the task, the resources are the websites students will utilize to complete the task, and the evaluation measures the effectiveness of the outcomes of the activity. So students are evaluated using some format within the Webquest, and then there's a conclusion that encourages students to reflect upon the activity's process and results. So you actually will be utilizing the resources you collected through your Pinterest scrapbook to create this Webquest. However, you can also include resources that are not linked within your scrapbook as you come across additional relevant resources on the internet. Again, the hope is that you will design something that is directly applicable to a unit you have taught or will be teaching in the future. You can also see that there are a variety of platforms used for designing a Webquest. You may either use Weebly, which you have previously used in designing your Master of Science in Learning Technology and Design portfolio, or you can use Quest Garden if you prefer. And this actually provides step-by-step instructions for designing a Webquest. This is a very easy to utilize website, and so the choice is yours. You can use either resource in creating your Webquest as long as you include the 6 components that were just detailed. And once you've created your Webquest, you will simply want to submit it by copying and pasting the link here, clicking submit, and then you will have concluded this assignment. I absolutely cannot wait to see what you will create over the course of the week and to think about how you will utilize this fabulous instructional resource in future teaching and learning endeavors. The sky is the limit, and it will be exciting to see what you come up with. God bless you all.